Located in the heart of South Moravia, near the Austrian border, Valtice Palace stands as one of the grandest Baroque residences in Central Europe. For centuries, it served as the principal seat of the powerful House of Liechtenstein, transforming the region into a landscape of palaces, gardens, and romantic monuments. The origins of the estate date back to the medieval period, but the palace, seen today, was largely shaped during the 17th and 18th centuries. Successive princes of the Liechtenstein family expanded and redesigned the residence, creating an impressive Baroque complex that reflected their wealth, influence, and aristocratic ambitions. Rather than functioning as a fortress, Valtice Palace was designed as a luxurious residence for entertaining guests and governing vast estates. Grand halls, elegant courtyards, ornamental gardens, and richly decorated interiors made it one of the most prestigious noble residences in the Habsburg lands. About 4 kilometers from Valtice Palace stands Lovecký zámeček Belveder, an elegant hunting lodge built by the Liechtenstein family as part of their vast estate. Positioned within the designed landscape surrounding Valtice, Belveder served as a scenic retreat and hunting pavilion, reflecting the aristocratic lifestyle that shaped the region for centuries. Today, Valtice Palace is recognized as part of the Lednice Valtice Cultural Landscape, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore its magnificent Baroque interiors and surrounding parklands, experiencing the legacy of the Liechtenstein princes and one of Europe's most remarkable cultural landscapes.